Welcome to the Basics Hub. Are you new to gardening and feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry. Today we're sharing 10 simple gardening hacks that are perfect for beginners. Whether you have a small balcony or a spacious backyard, these tips will help you grow healthy plants with ease. Let's dig in. Segment 1. Using eggshells as fertilizer. Our first hack is using eggshells as a natural fertilizer. Eggshells are rich in calcium, which is essential for plant growth. Simply rinse your eggshells to remove any residue, let them dry, and then crush them into small pieces. You can sprinkle these crushed shells directly into your garden soil or mix them into potting soil. This not only provides your plants with essential nutrients, but also helps deter pests like slugs and snails. Segment 2. Creating a self-watering planter. Next up, let's talk about creating a self-watering planter using a plastic bottle. This is perfect for busy gardeners who may forget to water their plants regularly. Take an empty plastic bottle and cut it in half. Fill the bottom half with water and place the top half upside down into the soil of your planter. The water will slowly seep into the soil as needed. This method ensures your plants stay hydrated without overwatering, making it easier to maintain healthy growth. Segment 3. Using coffee grounds for soil health. Our third hack involves using coffee grounds in your garden. Not only do they provide nutrients, but they also improve soil structure. Simply collect used coffee grounds and mix them into your garden soil or compost bin. They're particularly beneficial for acid-loving plants like tomatoes and roses. Coffee grounds can also attract earthworms, which are great for aerating the soil. Segment 4. Starting seeds in egg cartons. Next, let's talk about starting seeds in egg cartons. This is an easy and cost-effective way to begin your gardening journey. Fill each section of an egg carton with potting soil, plant your seeds according to package instructions, and water them lightly. Once your seedlings are ready to be transplanted, simply cut apart the sections and plant them directly into the ground or larger pots. No need to disturb their roots. Segment 5. Using plastic bags to create a mini greenhouse effect for your seedlings. Our fifth hack is using plastic bags to create a mini greenhouse effect for your seedlings. Cover your seedling trays with clear plastic bags or wrap them in plastic wrap to retain moisture and warmth. This helps maintain humidity levels and encourages faster germination. Just remember to remove the bags once seedlings start growing to prevent mold. Segment 6. Companion planting. Next up is companion planting, which involves growing certain plants together that benefit each other. For example, planting basil near tomatoes can enhance their flavor while repelling pests. Similarly, carrots grow well alongside onions as they help deter each other's pests. Companion planting can maximize space and improve overall plant health while reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Our seventh hack is mulching. Applying mulch around your plants can significantly help retain moisture in the soil. Spread a layer of organic mulch like straw, wood chips, or shredded leaves around your plants to keep the soil cool and moist. Mulch also helps suppress weeds, reducing competition for nutrients and water. Segment 8. Repurposing household items. Our eighth hack involves repurposing household items as gardening tools or containers. For instance, you can use an old wine bottle as a watering device by filling it with water and inverting it into the soil. It will slowly release moisture as needed. Not only does this save money, but it also adds unique character to your garden. Segment 9. Using natural pest deterrents. Our ninth hack focuses on natural pest deterrents that are safe for your garden. You can create a simple garlic spray by blending garlic cloves with water and straining it into a spray bottle. This helps repel many common pests. Using natural pest deterrents keeps your garden healthy without harmful chemicals. Segment 10. Joining gardening communities. Finally, our 10th hack is joining gardening communities, both online and locally. Connecting with fellow gardeners can provide valuable support and resources. Look for local gardening clubs or online forums where you can ask questions, share experiences, and learn from others' successes and mistakes. Being part of a community not only enhances your gardening knowledge but also makes it more enjoyable. Plus, you might even find opportunities to swap seeds or plants. Today we've shared 10 fantastic gardening hacks, perfect for beginners. From using eggshells as fertilizer to creating self-watering planters, these tips will help you cultivate a beautiful garden without feeling overwhelmed. Remember that gardening is all about patience and learning from experience. Don't be afraid to experiment. Start small and watch your confidence grow along with your plants. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more gardening advice. What hacks do you use as a beginner gardener? Share your ideas in the comments below. Happy gardening. May your green thumb flourish.